Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable account takeover alerts in Wells Fargo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable account takeover alerts in Wells Fargo, start by opening your internet browser. Visit the Wells Fargo homepage at www.wellsfargo.com. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services menu. Look for the option labeled Account Alerts or Manage Alerts. Click on this option to access your alert settings. You will see a list of alerts associated with your account. Find the section for Account Takeover Alerts. This may be labeled as Account Security Alerts or something similar. Uncheck the box next to the Account Takeover Alert option. After unchecking, make sure to review other alert preferences if needed. Scroll down to find the Save or Update button. Click this button to save your changes. A confirmation message should appear, indicating your settings have been updated. Log out of your Wells Fargo account for security. Now you have successfully disabled the account takeover alerts. Always remember to monitor your account regularly for unusual activity. If you have any questions, consider reaching out to Wells Fargo customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.